Hello friends, a very good day to you all. I am Ashish again here to present you an audio lecture on Indian polity. So the topic of the lecture is special provisions for some states. Let me tell you, this is a very small topic but very important one. There is always a high possibility of at least one question coming in the examination from this topic. Many of us have tendency to ignore these kind of topics as they are not that much interested. But let me tell you, little extra effort can put you much ahead in the competition. So shall we start? Article 371 to 370J in part 21 of Indian Constitution contain special provisions for 12 states, that are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Nagaland, Assam, Manipur, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Sikkim, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Goa and Karnataka. So, the intention behind them is to meet the aspiration of the people of backward regions of the state. I repeat, the intention behind to provide these special provision to these states is to meet the aspirations of the people of backward region of the state, or to protect the cultural and economic interest of the tribal people of the state, or to deal with disturbed law and order condition in some parts of the state, or to protect interest of the local people by the state. In simple words, it means there have been shortcomings for many of the states. To overcome those shortcomings, Constitution has been amended by the various government with these special provisions. Intention or motive of these provisions which I have already discussed with you before. So now I will mention articles related to the special provision for some state. Article 371 of Indian Constitution deals with special provision with respect to the state of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Okay. Article 371A of the Indian Constitution deal with special provision with respect to the state of Nagaland. Article 371B of the Indian Constitution deals with special provisions with respect to the state of Assam. Article 371C of the Indian Constitution deals with special provision with respect to the state of Manipur. Article 371D of the Indian Constitution deal with special provisions with respect to the state of Andhra Pradesh or the state of Telangana. Article 371E of the Indian Constitution deals with establishment of Central University in Andhra Pradesh. Article 371F of the Indian Constitution deals with special provisions with respect to the state of Sikkim. This is a very important article. This often comes in the examination. Article 371F. 371G of the Indian Constitution deals with special provision with respect to the state of Mizoram. Article 371H of Indian Constitution deals with special provision with respect to the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Article 371I of the Indian Constitution deals with special provision with respect to the state of Goa. Article 371J of the Indian Constitution deals with special provisions with respect to the state of Karnataka. So I mentioned you all the topics related to all the articles related to the special provision of the state. So at last, I hope you all will like it. If you find this helpful, please mention below in comment box so that I can upload more of such material. Thank you.